Hello to all you single moms out there who are looking to purchase your first home, or even if it's not your first home, or maybe it's your first home on your own because you're not with your ex-spouse anymore and you want to go out on your own. There are a couple of programs out there that can help you. The first of which might be something that you could find locally. There are many first-time homebuyer programs that you could find in your community, but you're going to be required to have a credit score minimum, and also you might also be required to take a first-time homebuyers course. If you want to not go through that entire process, we can help you with a first-time homebuyer program for single moms by providing you the down payment as part of the loan package. Okay, if you're interested in that, then just visit us down below at the first pinned comment, and also the description down below. I'll leave a link to where you could find us, and we can have a conversation to see what's available to you. It would be beneficial, beneficial if you could make sure that your credit scores are not poor. In the 600s would be helpful to you, and it would open up the ability to provide you with the best help possible, and would allow you to qualify for some of those down payment assistance programs. If you'd like to discuss further, again, just visit us down below. And if this video is helpful for you, please hit that like button for me. Do appreciate it. We'll help you to get pre-qualified so you can purchase your first home, so you and your kids can have a great place to live. It's great speaking with you, and I hope you have a great day.